Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. This festivity season we are going to make Malai Pedha. Here you go, this is quick and easy ricotta cheese Malai Pedha. Let's get started with the recipe. Today I'm going to show you quick and easy ricotta cheese pedha, and I have some saffron strands and ghee and sugar. That's the four ingredients and quick and easy. So I've added 1 tablespoon of pure ghee here, and I'm adding the keep stirring continuously. Cook saffron in warm milk, just 2 tablespoons, and I've taken 1/4 cup of sugar. Let's add sugar and mix it well. Let's add saffron milk and mix it well. We will have to make sure there are no lumps in this mixture and keep stirring it continuously for about 5 to 10 minutes. For that beautiful flavor, let's add less than 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and if you can see, this batter is almost ready. The water content is evaporated and is now not sticking to the pan, and it's thickened up. So once you see there is a dough-like consistency, turn off the heat and let it cool off for about 15-20 minutes, and then we will roll on our palms as a pedha shape. So I've made all these little balls and just pressed it in between, and I'm going to add saffron and some pistachios as garnishing. And our cute little yummy Kesar Malai Pedha is ready. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous, yummy Kesar Malai Pedha. Let's offer it to the god and enjoy this sweet treat. Alright, so time to say bye, and hope you like this recipe. Give it a try at home and let me know your feedback. I'm so excited to see your feedback, and see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.